Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the pound drop 0.3% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Mercedes-Benz CEO Ola Källenius ruled out the possibility that two major Chinese shareholders could increase their stakes and create a blocking minority in an interview with German daily Handelsblatt. European shares fell with concerns around economic growth slowdown and a gloomy forecast by Credit Suisse weighing on banks, while investors braced for the European Central Bank's meeting. Judge Netburn exposed the several contradictory takes by the SEC in regard to the speech, as the plaintiff now argues the notes and emails are protected by attorney-client privilege after being denied the deliberative process privilege argument.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB deposit rate decision at 11:45 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision will be released at 11:45 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.